Hey guys, this is Andy with American Jetter. Today I want to show you our 61 CT Tanna Maxwell trailer system. So if you guys have any questions at the end of the video, just feel free to give us a call or send us a message and we'll do what we can to take care of you. Okay, if you're using this system in manual mode, no wireless, what you would do is basically start one engine or both engines, depending on the flow that you're looking for. And you can always adjust it at the back of the unit with the turn knob. So I'm going to show you how that works. Your engine number one is your main engine. So that controls everything. If that key switch is not on, nothing's going to work. So we'll turn that key switch in the on position. The fan, ventilation fan will start up. Then we'll start that engine and then start the secondary engine. And this is with the ball valve closed on the rear hose reel. So that's basically the way you would do it in manual mode. You start the engines and then you work from the back, and I'll show you that here in a little bit. Now for wireless, as far as the engine on water on and off, basically your key switch is still going to be in the on position. You'll need both engines in on position if you're planning to use both of those. So these units are activated and they're waiting for a signal from the wireless to start. So with the ball valve closed on the hose reel, we'll start engine number one. Now that killed engine number one. So you could, if you want to just use one engine, that's the way you would do it. Now we're going to start both engines at the same time, which will give you full flow. But once again, there's no water flowing if that ball valve is closed on the hose reel. So here we go, two engines at one time. And then press the kill switch and it will kill any running engines at any time. So that's the basics on the wireless as far as the engine start and stop feature. Anytime you get done with the unit, just turn all the key switches off and that will deactivate the wireless. The ventilation fan will automatically close. Okay, I'm going to show you in manual mode basically how you operate it. First, I'm going to start one engine for this video purposes, and then show you how the operation is. So I'll be right back. We'll start the first engine. The engine started. We'll pull the hose out. Got your flow. Use the ball valve. Hose reel comes out manually. Basically, you kill it right here. Kill it in the back with the emergency kill, or you can go to the front and kill it at the engine. So now I'm going to grab the remote and show you the same operation remotely. Start out with one engine, and then we'll start the other two engines. I need to turn the key switch on the second engine on. So here we go. Ball valve is in the closed position. We can put it in the open position. Reel the hose reel out. Get us a good spot to spray. Now I'm going to start engine number one, which will immediately give us flow. We'll let reel in a little bit. There we go. All right. This is one engine, and then we're going to kill it and do 2 engines. That was 1 engine flow. Now we're doing 2 engine flow. In any configuration, you can adjust it with the turn knob here. Clockwise will raise the pressure, counterclockwise will lower it, basically all the way down to just about 0. And reel the hose reel in. Put this back up. On the left side here, you got your inlet reel that will fill up the tank with 330 gallons of water. Stop about 3 or 4 inches from the top. And there's also a feature on the hose reel. If you got a long ways you want to go, you can deactivate the motor and just free spool the reel back, or disengage from the motor, pull it out basically in neutral, and then re-engage it and operate the hose reel. So that's the basics of this unit. There are a lot of features that'll be listed below the pictures and videos on our website. So if you have any questions, guys, just give us a call, and look forward to working with you. Thanks, and have a good day.